Descript AI Review. Watch before using. Most people think video editing is slow and complicated, but you won't believe what happens next when you edit video like a text document. Descript is an AI-powered audio and video editing platform that lets you edit media by editing text. You simply delete words from the transcript, and the video edits itself. The surprising truth is that Descript also includes AI voice cloning, screen recording, podcast publishing, and studio quality sound cleanup. Most people get this wrong. They think it replaces all editors. In reality, it works best for talking head videos, podcasts, and online courses. Descript is best for creators who want faster editing and simple workflows. The surprising truth is that editing can finally be easy. Subscribe for more honest creator tool reviews that help you publish faster.